Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where classic motorcycles for sale meet real listings, real prices, and real American roads. Number 1. 1975 Honda CB200T, Lewis, Delaware, $2,000. This 1975 Honda CB200T is a lightweight classic that perfectly represents the golden era of small-displacement Japanese motorcycles. Finished with its iconic yellow tank and vintage styling, this bike delivers the kind of charm that makes people stop and stare at gas stations. With just over 6,100 miles showing on the odometer, it remains an excellent entry point for new riders or collectors looking for an affordable, rideable classic. The CB200T is known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine, easy handling, and mechanical simplicity. Brand new tires have already been installed, the gauges remain clean, and original details are still intact. While it needs a new battery and shows honest cosmetic aging, this Honda is a solid survivor that runs, rides, and offers real vintage enjoyment at an approachable price point. Number 2. 1985 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, Severna Park, Maryland, $3,100. This 1985 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the final chapter of the legendary Ironhead era. Rescued after sitting untouched in a shed for over a decade, this bike has been carefully brought back to life and now runs strong once again. The fuel tank was thoroughly cleaned and sealed, and the bike has received fresh paint, new tires, a new drive chain, rear sprocket, and additional mechanical updates. With under 20,000 miles, this Sportster offers classic Harley-Davidson character with raw mechanical feel and unmistakable sound. As the last year Ironhead, it holds special appeal among collectors who appreciate Harley history. This is a bike for riders who want authenticity, mechanical presence, and a genuine connection to American motorcycling heritage. Number 3. 1973 Yamaha RT3 360, Point Pleasant, New Jersey, $5,000. The 1973 Yamaha RT3 360 is a highly desirable two-stroke enduro that blends vintage off-road capability with classic street presence. This example is presented in mint condition and is ready to ride. The engine was rebuilt by a previous owner, and the odometer was reset at that time, now showing just 190 miles since rebuild. Known for its strong torque, lightweight chassis, and unmistakable two-stroke sound, the RT3 has become increasingly collectible in recent years. New tires further enhance its usability, making it suitable for both trail riding and vintage events. This Yamaha is ideal for collectors seeking a clean, properly sorted example of one of Yamaha's most respected early enduro machines. Number 4. 1968 Triumph Bonneville, Fairfield, Connecticut, $8,000. This 1968 Triumph Bonneville is a beautifully restored example of one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built. Restored over a decade ago by a respected specialist in Massachusetts, the bike has been carefully maintained and sparingly ridden since. Annual servicing and light use have preserved its mechanical integrity and classic appearance. While it shows a few minor imperfections consistent with age, it remains an excellent rider with timeless lines, strong performance, and unmistakable British character. The Bonneville's parallel twin engine delivers smooth power and classic sound, making it equally suitable for collectors and riders who appreciate traditional motorcycling. This is a serious vintage machine for serious enthusiasts. Number 5. 1977 Kawasaki KZ LTD1000, Reisterstown, Maryland, $3,000. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ LTD1000 is a rare find, especially with just over 8,000 original miles. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine and smooth highway performance, the KZ1000 platform helped define superbike era dominance in the late 1970s. This bike was running perfectly before being properly prepared for storage, with fuel systems drained and internal components fogged for preservation. It comes with a clean Maryland title and remains remarkably original. For riders seeking big displacement, classic muscle, and reliability at a very reasonable price, this KZ LTD1000 stands out as an exceptional value in today's classic motorcycle market. Number 6. 1988 BMW K75S, Seabright, New Jersey, $4,000. The 1988 BMW K75S is widely regarded as one of BMW's most refined and durable motorcycles ever produced. This example shows exceptionally low mileage at just 6,300 miles and remains largely factory original. Known for its smooth 3-cylinder engine, shaft drive, and legendary longevity, the K75S is capable of covering massive distances with minimal maintenance. Recent updates include a rebuilt rear master cylinder, upgraded rear suspension, fresh Bridgestone tires, and modern LED lighting enhancements. While not a museum piece, it is an honest, well-kept rider that could easily serve as a long-term touring or daily machine. This is classic BMW engineering at its most practical. Number 7. 1971 DKW Enduro 125, Chuckey, Tennessee, $2,900. This 1971 DKW Enduro is a rare German-built two-stroke that offers lightweight simplicity and vintage off-road charm. Featuring a 5-speed transmission, fresh tires, tubes, and chain, the bike runs and shifts properly and is ready for use. DKW's engineering heritage played a major role in European motorcycle history, and surviving examples like this have become increasingly difficult to find. While it does not have a title, it remains an excellent candidate for vintage trail riding, collection, or period-correct display. For enthusiasts of classic two-strokes and lesser-seen European machines, this DKW represents a unique opportunity. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS850GL, Manahawkin, New Jersey, $1,800. The 1982 Suzuki GS850GL is known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. This shaft-driven inline-4 offers smooth power delivery and low maintenance, making it a practical classic motorcycle for regular riding. With just over 40,000 miles, most accumulated by a single owner, it remains turnkey and ready to ride. Features like a digital gear indicator and air-adjustable forks reflect Suzuki's early embrace of rider-focused technology. While showing normal wear consistent with age, this GS850GL runs strong and includes extras such as crash bars and a climber manual. At this price point, it is one of the most affordable full-size classics currently available. Number 9. 1967 Dnepr K750 with Sidecar, Front Royal, Virginia, $7,000. This restored 1967 Dnepr K750 with Sidecar is a striking piece of motorcycle history rooted in World War II era engineering. Based on the BMW R71 design, this Soviet-built machine features a newly installed K750 flat-twin engine with fewer than 5 miles. The restoration includes custom leather seating, fresh paint, and a fully equipped matching sidecar complete with spare tire and accessories. While it will require minor adjustments, it runs and presents exceptionally well. Ideal for collectors, reenactors, or anyone seeking a truly unique vintage motorcycle experience, this Dnepr delivers unmatched presence and historical appeal. Number 10. 1981 Yamaha XS400 Special 2, Waterford Works, New Jersey, $950. This 1981 Yamaha XS400 Special 2 is an affordable entry into the world of classic motorcycles. The bike runs, rides, and stops as expected, making it a solid platform for either restoration or customization. Recent maintenance includes cleaned carburetors, a cleaned fuel tank, new controls, and fresh intake components. While it lacks a title and will need new tires, it remains a practical project bike with strong aftermarket support. For builders, first-time restorers, or budget-minded enthusiasts, this XS400 offers real potential at a very accessible price. These are real classic motorcycles for sale today. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and stay ahead of the vintage market.